Alright, so this right here is a Zippo wick. I went to use my Zippo today and it's just not doing very well, and I took off the little fill flap here and my flint holder, I don't know what you call that thing, and I found this is what my wick consisted of. So I got to replace that. So I bought a bunch of these little things off eBay a while ago. They got some flints in them, and then they got a spare wick right here. I just took some diagonal cutters and cut the corner off and took out the wick. So, yeah. So I watched a video on YouTube of how to do these, because I tried it myself and I just couldn't get through the little hole. And the video pretty much said, you just stick it in there and take your pliers and pull it to the other side. Make it look like a piece of cake. Well, these things, they fray, and the little wires stick out and all that, so I found a way to do it. So what you do is take a little piece of electrical tape. You can't really see this because the focus isn't that good on this. Alright, so you take a little piece of electrical tape, you put it on there, and you leave probably about a 1/4 inch hanging off, and then you snip it together. Alright? Then I'll set you up here. Come on. Alright, so here's this, I don't know if you can see this or not, but here it is. Alright, I'm going to take some oil here. I don't know if you can see that, WD-40. Alright. And I'm just going to take like this, and just snip off the little ends here. Put it at a little bit of a point. Alright. Kind of see that right there. It's at a bit of a point now. Take your Zippo lighter, and as you can see, well, you might be able to see, there's a little hole in there. What you want to do is put the little tip of your tape into that hole. Alright. And there's a little bit of the tape protruding. Take your needle nose pliers here. Is it sticking out? Clean these off. That's why. Try going through the top. Yeah, that's what I did before. I went through the top. Alright, so I'm going through the top now. That's what I did. And working just fine the last one I did. Almost got it. There we go. And you got your wick in. And I think you're able to see most of that. So, here, right here. There's your wick. Alright. And then you got your little piece of tape on there, which you can take off, which will be easy, especially since it has oil on it. And yeah, that's everything. And then you just pack your cotton balls back in there and your little cover, and you're good to go.